So in this chapter, binomial theorem, first problem, first part. The number of terms in the expansion of a plus b the whole raised to n. Number of terms in the expansion of a plus b the whole raised to n. A plus b the whole raised to n is n plus 1. Okay. Therefore, number of terms is equal to, here the expansion contain 11 terms. Okay. Now the second term. Find the middle term in the above expansion. Okay. Middle term is the r plus 1 term. Sorry, middle term is the, if n is an even number, if a plus b the whole raised to n, if n is even, middle term is n by 2 plus 1 the term. In the expansion of a plus b the whole raised to n, comma, if n is even, n a even number ayal, if n is even, middle term is n by 2 plus 1 the term. Here 10 by 2, that is 10 by 2 plus 1, that is the sixth term is the middle term. Okay. So we have to find the sixth term. So r plus 1 the term is equal to NCR a raised to n minus r b raised to r. So when r is equal to 5, so which is equal to, that is tr plus 1, r plus 1 the term is denoted by tr plus 1 is equal to NCR, that is 10CR. A is x by 3 raised to 10 minus r, b is 9y the whole raised to r. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് സിക്സ്ത് ടേം കിട്ടാനായിട്ട് ആറിന് 5 എന്ന് കൊടുക്കാം. when r is equal to 5, t6, sixth term, that is the middle term, is equal to 10c5 x by 3 raised to 10 minus 5 and 9y the whole raised to 5. Okay, that is equal to 10c5 into x raised to 5 by 3 raised to 5 into 9 raised to 5 y raised to 5. Okay, so that is equal to 10c5. Now x raised to 5 into y raised to 5, and this 9 is 3 square raised to 5 by 3 raised to 5 now. Okay, that is 10c5 x raised to 5 y raised to 5 into 3 raised to 10 by 3 raised to 5. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് ക്യാൻസൽ ആയിട്ട് ഒരു 3 raised to 5 ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ ഫോം ചെയ്യും. that is equal to 10c5 into 3 raised to 5 x raised to 5 y raised to 5. Okay, so that is the middle term. Now second one, find the general term in the expansion of x plus y raised to n. First part, tr plus 1, general term is denoted by tr plus 1. tr plus 1 is ncr x raised to n minus r and y raised to r. So that is the general term. Now the second part, find the middle term in the expansion of 2x plus 3y the whole raised to 18. Here n is even, n is equal to 18 comma even number. Okay, so middle term equal to n by 2 plus 1 the term, n by 2 plus 1 the term. n by 2 എടുത്താൽ 18 by 2 plus 1, that is 9 plus 1 the term. 10th term is the middle term. Okay, അപ്പോൾ 10th term കാണുന്നതിന് ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് tr plus 1 എഴുതാം. tr plus 1 is equal to 10cr, sorry, ncr a raised to n minus r into b raised to r. Okay. അപ്പോൾ 10th ടേം കിട്ടാൻ r ന് 9 എന്ന് കൊടുക്കുക. when r is equal to 9, t10 is equal to 18c9. 18c9. Okay. A is the first term, 2x raised to 18 minus 9 into 1 by 3y raised to 9. Okay, so that's equal to 18c9. 2x the whole raised to 18 minus 9 is 9 into 1 by 3 raised to 9 y raised to 9. Okay, that is equal to 18c9 into 2 raised to 9 into x raised to 9 into 1 by 3 raised to 9 y raised to 9. Okay, so which can be simplified as 18c9 into 2 by 3 raised to 9 into x by y raised to 9. Okay, so that is the middle term. Write the general term in the expansion of a plus b the whole raised to 12. A plus b the whole raised to 12. So tr plus 1. Tr plus 1 is ncr a raised to n minus r b raised to r ആണ്. That is എന്നിന് പകരം 12 കൊടുത്താൽ 12cr aക്ക് a തന്നെയാണ്. a raised to 12 minus r b raised to r. So that is the general term in the expansion of a plus b the whole raised to 12. Now the second part, find the 9th term in the expansion of 9th term. So tr plus 1. tr plus 1 is equal to ncr a raised to n minus r b raised to r. Here the power is 12. So 12cr, a is x by 2. x by 2 raised to 12 minus r into 6 by x square raised to r. So to find the 9th term, put r equal to 8. When r is equal to 8, t9 is equal to 12c8 x by 2 raised to 12 minus 8 6 by x square raised to 8. Okay, that's equal to 12c8 is 12c4. 12c4 x by 2 raised to 12 minus 8 is 4 into 6 by x square raised to 8. Okay, so that's equal to 12c4 x raised to 4 by 2 raised to 4 into 6 raised to 8 by x raised to 16. X raised to 4 and x raised to 16 cancel, so denominator x raised to 12. Okay, which is equal to 12c4 into 6 raised to 8 is 2 raised to 8 into 3 raised to 8 by 2 raised to 4 into x raised to 12. So 2 raised to 4 cancel, here 2 raised to 4. So which is equal to 12c4 into 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 8 divided by x raised to 12. So that is the 9th term. Find the general term in the expansion of. Find the general term in the expansion of 3x square minus 1 by 3x the whole raised to 9. Okay, so general term tr plus 1. tr plus 1 is equal to ncr a raised to n minus r b raised to r. That is 9cr. A is 3x square raised to 9 minus r minus 1 by 3x raised to r. So that is the general term. Find the term independent of x in the above expansion. Okay. Now the term independent of x is the term containing the coefficient of x raised to 0. So we have to simplify. So to find the second answer, tr plus 1 is equal to 9cr. Here 3 raised to 9 minus r into x raised to x square raised to 9 minus r is x raised to 18 minus 2r. ഈ 2ഉം 9 മൈനസ് ആറും തമ്മിൽ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ. ഇൻറ്റു ഹിയർ മൈനസ് 1 റേസ് ടു ആർ ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ, ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ 3 റേസ് ടു ആറും എക്സ് റേസ് ടു ആറും ആവും. ഓക്കെ. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൽ കോയിഫിഷ്യൻ്റ് വരുന്നത് 9cr ഉണ്ട്, 9cr ഇൻറ്റു 3 റേസ് ടു 9 മൈനസ് ആർ ഉണ്ട്, മൈനസ് 1 റേസ് ടു ആർ ഉണ്ട്, ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ ഒരു 3 റേസ് ടു ആർ ഉണ്ട്, ഇൻറ്റു ഇനി എക്സിൻ്റെ പവർ എക്സ് റേസ് ടു 18 മൈനസ് x raised to 18 minus 2r is in numerator. There is a x raised to r in the denominator. So a raised to m by a raised to n 2r minus r now. Okay. So that is equal to 9cr, which is equal to 9cr into 3 raised to 9 minus r by 3 raised to r. അപ്പോൾ അത് 3 raised to 9 minus 2r എന്നാവും. മൈനസ് ആർ മൈനസ് ആർ മൈനസ് ആർ മൈനസ് ആർ ഇൻറ്റു മൈനസ് 1 raised to r ഇൻറ്റു എക്സ് raised to 18 മൈനസ് 3r എന്നാവും. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 9cr 3 raised to 9 minus 2r മൈനസ് 1 raised to r എക്സ് raised to 18 മൈനസ് 3r. ഇതാണ് കോയിഫിഷ്യൻ്റ് ആയിട്ട് വരുന്നത്. ഇതാണ് കോയിഫിഷ്യൻ്റ്. ഓക്കെ. So to find the term independent of x, put this 18 minus 3r is equal to 0. To find the term independent of x, term independent of x, 18 minus 3r equal to 0, r equal to 6 എന്ന് കിട്ടും. ഓക്കെ. ഈ ആറിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ 6 എന്ന് ഈ ബോക്സിലേക്ക് കൊടുക്കുക. Therefore term independent of x, term independent of x is equal to 9c6 3 raised to 9 minus 2 into 6 minus 1 raised to 6. Okay. 9c6 is 9c3. 9c3 3 raised to 9 minus 12 minus 3 minus 1 raised to 6 is 1. Okay. So 9c3 is 9 into 8 into 7 by 1 into 2 into 3. Here it is 1 by 3 cube. 1 by 3 cube. So 2, 4, 3, here 3, then again 3 square. Okay. So 28 divided by 9. 28 by 9 is the answer. Okay. Now consider the expansion of x square minus 1 by 3x raised to 9. First part. Find the coefficient of x raised to 9. Here the expansion is x square minus 1 by 3x the whole raised to 9. tr plus 1. r plus 1 the term is equal to 9cr x square raised to 9 minus r minus 1 by 3x raised to r. Okay. That is equal to 9cr x raised to 18 minus 2r minus 1 raised to r by 3 raised to r into x raised to r. Okay. So which is equal to 9cr x raised to 18 minus coefficient മാത്രം എഴുതാം നമുക്ക്. 9cr into minus 1 raised to r by 3 raised to r. ഇതാണ് കോയിഫിഷ്യൻറ്റ്. Okay, into x in the power 18 minus 3r now. Okay, find the coefficient of x raised to 9. So to find the coefficient of x raised to 9, put 18 minus 3r is equal to 9. Okay, to find the coefficient of x raised to 9, put 18 minus 3r is equal to 9. Okay, that is 3r is equal to 9, implies r is equal to 3. So when r is equal to 3, therefore coefficient of x raised to 9, therefore coefficient of x raised to 9 is equal to 9c3 minus 1 raised to 3 by 3 raised to 3. Okay, that is 9c3. 9c3 is 9 into 8 into 7 by 1 into 2 into 3 minus 1 by 27. Okay, so 2 8 cancel 4, 3 here 3, then 9. Okay, so minus 28 divided by 9. Minus 28 divided by 9, which is equal to minus 28 by 9. Coefficient of x raised to 9. Now to find the term independent of x, to find term independent of x, term independent of x, 18 minus 3r 0 നോക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ ആറിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ 6 എന്ന് കിട്ടും. ഈ ആറിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ 6 ഇതിലേക്ക് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. therefore term independent of x is equal to term independent of x is equal to 9cr minus 1 raised to 9c6 minus 1 raised to 6 by 3 raised to 6 എന്ന് കിട്ടും. Okay, which is equal to 9c6 is 9c3 by 3 raised to 6 minus 1 raised to 6 is 1. Okay, next one, consider the expansion of x by 9 plus 9y the whole raised to 2n. First part is the number of terms in the expansion. Number of terms in the expansion is 2n plus 1. Okay, now second part, what is the n plus 1 the term? N plus 1 the term is, see, you can find first, write that r plus 1 the term. Tr plus 1 is ncr a raised to n minus r b raised to r. That is the r plus 1 the term. That is 2n cr x by 9 raised to 2n minus r into 9y raised to r. So to find the n plus 1 the term, put r is equal to n. r ന് n എന്ന് കൊടുത്താൽ tn plus 1 is equal to 2n cn x by 9 raised to 2n minus n 9y raised to n. Okay, that is equal to 2n cn x raised to is equal to 2n cn here x raised to n by 9 raised to n into 9 raised to n by 9 raised to n y raised to n. So 9 raised to n get cancelled. That's equal to, which is equal to 2n cn x raised to n y raised to n, x raised to n y raised to n. Okay, now the third one. Now the third part, if n is equal to 5, find its middle term. When n is equal to 5, when n equal to 5, which is x by 9 plus 9y the whole raised to 10 now. Okay, when n is equal to 5. That the power is an even number, therefore middle term is middle term is equal to n by 2 plus 1 the term. Okay, that is 10 by 2, 5 plus 1, sixth term. Sixth term is the middle term. Okay, now sixth term is r plus 1 the term, tr plus 1 is equal to 10 cr x by 9 raised to 10 minus r 9y raised to r. To find the sixth term, put r is equal to 5, t6 equal to 10c5 x by 9 raised to 10 minus 5 9y raised to 5, that is 10c5 x raised to 5 by 9 raised to 5 into 9 raised to 5 y raised to 5. 9 raised to 5 get cancelled, that is 10c5 x raised to 5 into y raised to 5. Okay, now the seventh one, write the general term in the expansion of 1 plus x the whole raised to 44. 1 plus x the whole raised to 44. Okay, tr plus 1 is equal to ncr a raised to n minus r b raised to r, that is 44 cr. A is 1 raised to 44 minus r into x raised to r. 1 raised to 44 minus r is 1, that is 44 cr x raised to r is the general term. Okay, now the second one, write the 21st and 22nd terms in the expansion of 1 plus x the whole raised to 44. To find the 21st term, put r is equal to 20. Put r equal to 20. T21 is equal to 44C20 x raised to 20. That is the 21st term. Now 22nd term, T22 is equal to 44C21 x raised to 21. Okay, so these are the terms. Now the third one, if 21st and 22nd terms in the expansion of 1 plus x the whole raised to 44 are equal, T21 is equal to T22. Then find the value of x. T21 is 44C20 x raised to 20 is equal to 44C21 x raised to 21. Okay, x raised to 20, x raised to 21 cancel, right side ax is formed. Now to 44C20 is 44 factorial by 20 factorial into 44 minus 20 factorial. Okay, that is equal to, here is also 44 factorial by 21 factorial into 44 minus 21 factorial into x. 44 factorial get cancelled. Now 1 by this 20 factorial into 44 minus 20 is 24 factorial is equal to x divided by this 21 factorial is 20 factorial into 21 into 19 factorial. This is 21. Okay, so 20 factorial gets cancelled. Okay, which is equal to 1 by this 24 factorial is 24 factorial is equal to the 24 minus 21 is 24. Here it is 23, not 19, 23 factorial. Okay, 23 factorial, not 19 factorial, 23 factorial. So 1 by 24 factorial is 23 factorial into 24 is equal to x by 21 into 23 factorial. So 23 factorial get cancelled. So x is equal to, here it is 21 by 24. 21 by 24. 7 by 8. Okay. Now the eighth one, find x plus y raised to 4 minus x minus y raised to 4. X plus y raised to 4 is equal to x raised to 4 plus 4c1 x raised to 3 into y plus 4c2 x raised to 2 into y square plus 4c3 xy cube plus y raised to 4. Okay, that's equal to x raised to 4 plus 4c1 is 4, 4x cube y plus 4c2 is 6x square y square plus 4xy cube plus y raised to 4. That is x plus y raised to 4. Now x minus y raised to 4. X minus y raised to 4 is equal to x raised to 4 minus 4x cube y plus 6x square y square minus 4xy cube plus y raised to 4. Okay. Now take the difference. X plus y raised to 4 minus x minus y raised to 4 is equal to x raised to 4 get cancelled. Here it is 8x cube y. Next term cancel. Then again 8xy cube. The last term get cancelled. Okay. So which is equal to 8xy into, which is 8xy into x square plus y square. So that is the expression. Now put x is equal to root 5 and put x is equal to root 5. X is equal to root 5, comma y is equal to root 6. We have root 5 plus root 6 raised to 4 minus root 5 minus root 6 raised to 4 is equal to 8 into root 5 into root 6 into root 5 square plus root 6 square. Okay, so that's equal to 8 root of 30 into 5 plus 6 11. Okay, that is equal to 88 root of 30. Okay.